How to disconnect YouTube account from TV. Firstly, if you are logged into your YouTube account in your TV, then you can simply log out of your YouTube account from your TV. Now, if not, then in case you would like to log out or disconnect from your mobile device, then what you have to do is open up the YouTube application in your mobile device. And here make sure that you're logged in with the same account that you're logged in the TV. Now from this home page, navigate to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now under your profile name, there is a button as Google account. Tap on that. Now from this page, there is a menu bar under your email address again. There is home, personal info, data and privacy. And if you swipe more to your left, there is an option as security. Tap on security. Here scroll down a bit and you will find a section as your devices. Here you will be able to see all the devices where you have logged into your account to. From there, tap on manage all devices. Here scroll down and search for your TV. After you find it out, tap on your TV. And from this interface, you will get a sign out button. Simply tap on sign out and again tap on sign out for confirmation. And once you do that, you will be disconnected from the YouTube in your TV or you'll be logged out of your YouTube account in your TV. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.